How to delete a Facebook pixel. So if you want to delete the Facebook pixel, then here's the step-by-step guide to delete your Facebook pixel. First, open up your business settings. To remove the Facebook pixel, the very first step is to enter your Facebook Business Manager and then choose the business settings option. Once you go with the business settings, then you need to select business containing the pixel that you want to delete. You can simply click on business.facebook.com/settings/events, dataset, news, and it will take you to the business settings. And once you go with that, you will have this kind of interface where you need to select the business that you would like to delete and then select the pixels you want. In the pixel section, you will see a list of pixels in your account. So what you need to do is just click on the pixel that you would like to get rid of. And on the step 4, choose the asset linked with the pixel. Then you will see a row of 3 sections: people, partner, and connected assets. Choose the connected assets in this way. So open up your business settings and then go with data sources, go with the drop down, and then go with data sets. Under data sets, go with your business. Under business, here you will have people, partners, and connected assets. So go with the connected assets. And once you choose your connected assets, then you just need to simply go with the right bottom option of the connected assets button, and you will see a trash icon. Just click on the trash icon. Click on the pixel and then go with the trash icon, and you'll be able to delete. So that's how you can delete your Facebook pixel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.